it's heavy, I know it's true. Storms keep rolling right over you. But don't you break, don't you bend.
Hey, beautiful babes. It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome back to the channel. Now, this is to my beautiful babes. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me. Now, for those that are new to the channel, you never seen me before, but you're glad you found me and you don't want to lose this chick, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and you'll be in the know each and every time I upload. I promise it works. You'll know it. For sure. Y'all, I am just diving into some of the stuff that I have in this beauty room. And today we're going to visit something that we haven't talked about in a while, but we need to, and that's all about glycerin. Let's get to this video like right now. Yes, beautiful babes. Yes, it has been. It's been a minute since we talked about glycerin. That is vegetable glycerin, and its amazing beauty benefits for skin and hair. Let's dive right in today. So get your pen and paper out. Let's jot down some notes and let me tell you how you can implement glycerin into your day-to-day skin and hair routine. Glycerin is a natural emollient that adds a cooling effect on the skin and has become a predominant ingredient in most skincare products and soaps. Humectant qualities make use in cosmetics and body care products important for moisture retention assistance and pulling oxygen into the skin. The humectant quality means that the glycerin actually attracts moisture. It's soluble in hot and cold water, as well as even in alcohol. Now, I will have listed below the actual glycerin that I use. It is from Amazon. You can order it right from Amazon, and that is my Amazon affiliate link below. So you can buy it there or wherever you feel comfortable in purchasing it, okay? So let's talk about glycerin for the skin. Now, it is great as a moisturizer, a cleanser for dry skin. It gives acne relief, wrinkle treatment, anti-aging benefits, so much. We're going to talk about it today. Now, pure vegetable glycerin is actually clear and odorless. You can use it to keep your skin moist and supple. Vegetable glycerin actually contains many hygroscopic, which is tending to absorb moisture from the air, properties, allowing it to attract and absorb moisture from the surrounding environment. Many store-bought creams and even moisturizers contain a high glycerin content and are proven to be more effective. Vegetable glycerin is a great way to prevent dry skin from occurring. What glycerin is going to do is boost moisture retention in the skin, causing anti-aging effects, softening the skin, plumping the skin, and even allowing your makeup to glide on smoother. Here's a simple recipe for you. Take your favorite moisturizer and add a little glycerin to it, and let me know how you like it. Okay, just put the comment down below and let me know how you like that. Now, let's go on further. Now, studies have shown glycerin to be a major ingredient in creams that improve prematurely aged skin. This is what you can do. Mix your vegetable glycerin into your lotions or moisturizers to improve your skin's ability to consistently shed outer layers. This will aid regeneration and generate smoother skin. Now, I already mentioned this earlier about how glycerin is great and has a amazing soothing effect on dry, irritated, chapped, or even burned skin. It will heal cracked heels. It can be used even as a makeup remover and a skin cleanser, and may have some skin whitening effects. Now for the skin, amazing. but also it's great for the hair to protect and moisturize it as well if you have dry or damaged hair. Glycerin is a great natural humectant. Its humectant properties allows it to absorb moisture from the environment, which can help improve hair dryness. Vegetable glycerin can be used as a base ingredient or added to your existing shampoos and conditioners. Now, for facial cleansing, vegetable glycerin contains many moisturizing properties that help improve oily skin, blackheads, and acne. This makes it the perfect ingredient for facial cleansers. Try this DIY. Mix vegetable glycerin with tea tree oil and rose water to create an all-natural, non-harsh facial cleanser that will leave your skin clean and soft. Now, it's even ideal as a toner. Just mix water and use as a toner that won't dry your skin. It will even your skin tone and texture and draws moisture to the skin and plumps it up overnight. Helps heal and soften the look of acne scars. Amazing. Now, if you're dealing with scars, glycerin is great for softening and removing scars as well. Its skin whitening effects helps to lighten scars and soften rough skin to reduce and flatten the look of acne scars, reduce irritation and redness from burns, and hydrate the skin. And many don't know that glycerin is actually a natural sweetener alternative for those with diabetes. Just wanted to throw that in. Vegetable glycerin, and you may also see it on your containers as glycerol, is made from plant sources and contains no animal products. Glycerin has quite a few different uses, such as emulsification for oil and water, skin moisturization, and amplification of the moisturizing effects of your skin creams, and gentle makeup removal. It is an ideal product for cracked skin healing, skin toning, and acne treatment when combined with other skincare products, and may be used on its own as well. So it works to retain moisture in your skin, which makes it the perfect emulsifier for oil and water skin applications. Simply add it to your favorite oil, massage it into the skin, and watch your skin absorb the moisture from the oil and retain it for much longer. This also makes it a special addition to any essential oil blend for massage. Massage therapists can add a few drops of glycerin to any oil to provide a luxurious, full-body skin moisturizing effect. Many people use it as an overnight solution for soothing cracked feet. To use as a healing treatment for dry heels, massage a good amount of it onto your heels and also your feet before bed. Just put on some socks and wake up in the morning to find that your heels have become moist and soft. You can also use it as a simple hand moisturizer by diluting it and massaging it into the back of your hands, where many people experience drying of the skin, especially during the winter months. Vegetable glycerin is clearly one of the most versatile products you can use as part of your skincare routine, making it an essential product to have as part of your beauty care. I know, you don't have to thank me, but I tell you what, your skin will thank you. This highly versatile hydrating oil helps nourish dry skin, dry hair, damaged skin, and will leave them both feeling silky smooth. And there you go. All right, beautiful babes, that is it. All you need to know about some glycerin, more than you need to know about glycerin. If you don't have any, I got my link below. It's my Amazon affiliate link. And honey, if you click that link, make your purchase, your girl will make some.
A couple of coins.
And I know you don't mind supporting the channel. I appreciate you so very much. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And please, please share your girl with your world. And I will see you and you on the next video.